All right, we're doing a bonus buy, $50 bonus buy. The name of the game here is to win $100 off the bonus buy, so that we can use the mystery box and see what kind of card we can get. So that's the goal. So we're gonna go 1 cent. We got a bonus buy, $50. Go ahead. Good luck us. We want a couple of those to pop. Yes, double pop. So we get both of these bonuses. Go for it. Good luck us. So we just need to win $50. Ooh, that's good. $10. What the hell? How many spins? Where's the spin counter at? Okay, we got the spin counter right there. Those coins reset every time, so we want this to go as long as possible. Why not us? Oh no, not like this. Come on, we need 1 coin or we're dead. Oh, thank you. Thank you. We need more coins. We want the big ones. Come on, come on. Yes. Resets our spins. Back to 4 spins. Oh, what's that? Oh, nice. Unlock the new one. We want this one right here. Two more spins. Oh no. Not like this. Not like this. Come on, one more. Oh, thank you. Three more spins. Yes, thank you. Yes. 375, we'll take it. Oh, nice. We need to open these up because there aren't too many spots left.
Yeah.
Right? Nice, we'll take that. We need a multiplier. Okay. Come on. Don't let us down. Don't let us down. Don't let us down. Oh no, last spin. Good luck us. Oh yes, thank you. $2. Good luck us. Good luck us, come on. 2 more spins. Oh, we got one.
Yay!
Did they award us? That's nice. That's so nice. 3 spins left, or I guess 2. Come on. Last spin. Good luck us. Why not us? Let's see how much this is. I think we're gonna be like under.
Yeah.
$50 paid $46.50. And that's the bonus. All right, we're gonna try it again. $50 bonus buy, and if we win, we'll go and buy the graded card. Good luck us. Hit the instant feature.
Where?
Right here. Yes. Come on, let's get a triple pop. Triple pop. Triple pop. Ah. Oh, wow. Four spins left. Alright, retrig. $5, we'll take that. $50 is the game, the goal. $5. We need the dynamite. Not like this. Please, not like this. One more. Yes,
Yes.
thank you. We need everything we can get. We need everything we can get. We need a dynamite. Thank you. Come on. 3 spins left. Why not us? Come on, guys. Thank you. Retrig, $5, 4 spins left. Two spins left. Come on. Not like this. Save us. Save us. Yes. We need another dynamite. Come on. 2 spins left. 1 spin left. Come on. What the hell? That's probably like $30, maybe 40. Lost $17 on that one. We've been getting crushed this trip. We got our last. We're gonna do our last bonus buy here. It's a $50 bonus buy. You have 100, so you put 60 in. And we need this bonus buy to come through for us. We've been getting worked. This could come a long way. This could turn this trip into a great trip if we actually hit this. If they actually accept our money. Bastards. Let's go. Yep. Turn RTP up. Hit the green button. Hit the green one. Yeah. Up there. $50 bonus buy. It's our feature. I'm gonna zoom out here so you can see what it's our feature. Let's get a triple pop. Let's get a triple pop. Lord knows we need. Oh, what the fuck. Terrible. This is terrible. So those bottom lines, whenever we get the coin, it fills up. That's what we get. And then the spin meter is on the right hand side. Every time you hit one, it refills it up to 4 spins. So we need to retrig now. Alright, there you go. Back to 3 spins. $1.75, big money. We just need to get $50 back on this thing. Oh no, we need this one. Oh, thank God. Oh, we got the Louis. What does Louis do? What does Louis do? 300. Oh, it's just a random. Keep going. Come on, Louis, hook it up. That's only $3. $4.50. Alright, we just need to keep hitting them coins. Come on, coins, hook it up. Give us a mini. Give us a major. We need a major right here. Okay, open up a slot. We need a major. Come on. Come on. Hook it up. We deserve it. It's our time. It's our time. Okay, well, I'll take that. $1. Come on. It's our time. Yeah, we'll take that. It's our time. It's our time to hit $1,000. Last spin. Come on, we need it. Oh my God. $50 bet.
22 bucks.
And 3 out of 3 bonus buys suck.